Please, this message is particularly for the Christians all over the world. Based on what is going on in the world about this news, what Pope Francis said that you can that a Reverend Father in Roman Catholic can bless man who the marry man, woman who the marry woman. He can bless them in the church. So, and the news are making many Christians that some people their love for God is now waxing cold. Because Jesus said in Matthew chapter 24 verse 12, Jesus said that because iniquity shall bound the earth and the love of many shall wax cold. Listen to me, this is not a new news. If you are living in the Western world, America, Europe and other white countries, you can see that this issue of man to man, woman to woman marriage is just common something. Is common something in there, but in Africa it's very hard in Africa for you to see this kind of abomination in here in Africa. Now listen to me, let me tell you, why is it only Christianity that the enemy Satan is fighting? Many Christians, many people have been saying, why Anglican church, why Roman Catholic, why some Pentecostal church, both Methodist church, why are they signing this abomination? And listen, not the local church, but the headquarters, the general overseer, Anglican church. When the Anglican church own started, is from the Church of England, is from their headquarters, England. That is the place that corruption brought out. Even Methodists, even some Pentecostal churches, even this one where Pope said from the Rome, the headquarters of Roman Catholic Church, that is the place that abomination came out. So this kind of thing will make many Christians, their love for God will be waxing cold. Some of them will return back to idolatry. Some of them will say, no, I do not trust what is happening to Christianity. In fact, I'm no longer a Christian anymore. This kind of thing will make some Christians to say this. But Jesus have seen what will happen in this end time. We are living in the last day. Jesus have seen all those things, and Jesus have prophesied, said to us, this is what will happen in this end time. Iniquity shall bound the earth, love of many shall wax cold. Iniquity, love of many Christians will wax cold. 50 years ago, 100 years ago, in Anglican church, the Church of England, you cannot see this kind of abomination inside the Anglican church. Both in Roman Catholic, both Methodist church, both some Pentecostal churches. But why now we are seeing this abomination everywhere in the world? What is going on in the world? And some of the white people are trying to force the African leaders to approve it in their countries. Why this 1985, we cannot see this kind of thing in the world? What is going on? Listen, go to my video, you will understand what is happening in the world. 1999 to a year 2000, there was news that circulated all over the world that Jesus will come in the year 2000. And that year 2000, many people in 1999, many people was showing their property. Many Christians believe that Jesus will come in the year 2000. And later, Jesus no come. Nobody see Jesus. Listen to me. Jesus said that nobody knows the time or the hour when he will come. But let me tell you what happened. From that year 2000, the atmosphere of the world changed. From that year 2000, both man to marry man, woman to marry woman started in the church. From that year 2000, both president of the country to legalize man and man, woman and woman in the country started. From that year 2000 going up, the atmosphere of the world changed. Some of the abomination started coming out. It's a mystery. I have explained it on my video. So if you need that video, you can add me on WhatsApp. You watch that video. I explain many things with the proof. I cannot play the videos here because of the maybe Facebook standards or YouTube standard or maybe TikTok. They may block the video. I don't want to play all the videos here. You can add me on WhatsApp. I will send you the videos. So, and if you are a minister of God and you want to defend this thing that Pope said, you better stop it, because for you to defend it means that you are supporting evil. For you to defend this thing means that you are supporting evil. Don't ever try to defend what is wrong. Say the truth. We are living in the last days. Tell your members that this thing that you are seeing happening in the world, that Jesus will come very soon, that we are living in the last days. Even the Third World War, Satan is planning to bring it out. Many things that is happening. Why is it only Christianity that Satan is fighting? Muslims do not accept this abomination. You cannot see this abomination in Muslim, in mosques. You cannot see this abomination in mosques. You cannot see this abomination even all those people where they worship idol. It's very hard for you to see it. But why Christianity? We have thousands of religions all over the world. But why Christianity? Why Satan choose to be attacking Christianity? Because that is a place that the light of the world is. Because Christianity is a place that the light of God is shining. This abomination that you are seeing, Anglican Church, Church of England, they have signed this in England, but not only England, but in America. Anglican Church, you can see man and man, woman and woman inside the church. They will, the reverend will be blessed them. Even a Methodist church, even some Pentecostal churches, but some African church, African Anglican church do not accept this abomination. Jesus said that he that endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. There are a lot of trials. There are a lot of temptation. Satan is fighting Christianity. Satan is targeting Christianity among all the religion we have all over the world. Why Christianity? Why Christianity? In Christianity, you have so many false prophets, false teaching, false doctrine is much in Christianity. And Jesus have said it, that in the last day, that we are going to see false prophet that will rise everywhere in the end time. And Jesus said that they will perform miracles to deceive many. They shall deceive many with their miracles. Not few, but many. When Jesus said many, many shall be deceived through their miracle. Many, that means there will be millions of Christians, if not possible, billions of Christians will be deceived by the false prophet. We are living in the end time. We are living in the last days. So if you're a Christian, don't have double mind for all those things that you are seeing happening in Christendom. This is what the enemy is doing. This is what the enemy is doing. So don't have double mind. Don't be afraid. Just believe in Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We are living in the last day. Believe in Jesus Christ of Nazareth and you'll be saved. So all those things that you are seeing happening all over the world, don't be discouraged. Let me stop this message here. Share this message and watch my next video. Thank you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Shalom.